Yep, I'm out in the woods again, but this time it's different. Shh. If you listen real close, maybe you can hear it too. Psst. Psst. You over there. Yeah. Come on over here. How'd you like to try out this spiffy hammock?
Eat me.
Doggone right I'll eat you, but I'm not hungry right now. I'm gonna save you for later. Hey, who's gonna clean up this mess down here? You know, what's Mother Nature gonna think you'd be dropping your mess all over the ground, huh?
I just couldn't wait to get my pilot's license, and now all I'm doing is work and work and work and work.
Excuse me. Follow the yellow brick road? What the heck's a brick? Help! I'm hyperventilating. Quick! Someone stick my head in a bag. I'm not gonna eat it. It's got dirt on it. It'll make me hurl. Not that kind of hurl, you idiot. Oh yes, everybody's a comedian. I'll be a butterfly someday and pollinate your weeds. I just knew this would happen if I tried bungee jumping.
You put your front eggs in, you put your back eggs in, and you shake it all about, you do the whole...
Incredible, isn't it? What do you mean you don't believe me? Don't you know this is an election year? You're supposed to believe everything you hear. And watch out for low-flying pigs.